today's unboxing is on the MF Ghost Nissan GT.R R35 and it's a limited edition which includes the Dream Tomica casting. On the right is the very first MF Ghost casting, the GT86, driven by the lead character Kanata Rivington. This was released last year and I did a feature for this GT86 on lamlygroup.com. You can refer to the article and the video link down below the comment section. The Nismo Nissan GT.R comes sealed together with the comic on the shrink wrap. I removed the plastic beforehand. Packaging wise, very nice. You can immediately see the Dream Tomica casting against the manga background. On the side you can see the driver Shun Aiba, one of the top 10 driver in the MSG race, and behind you can see the actual packaging box together with the Nissan GT.R. Included is the belly band on the manga with the GT.R, the state limited edition, and a new series after Initial D. What's very interesting, the Toyota 86, that was the very first Dream Tomica casting that comes along with the manga, is going to be released in July under the Dream Tomica series as a main line. Although the appearance of the casting looks almost similar, maybe there's some slight variation or a box variation. Either way, I'm looking very forward to it. Behind you can see the girl is Ren, one of the MFG Angel. Interesting content, just like the Initial D. I finished all the latest series. You can see the Dream Tomica casting in the center of the box. The package is already taking up a lot of space, so I'm going to discard it. On the front, you can see the Dream Tomica logo together with the Nissan GT.R Nismo R35 with the driver Shun Aiba. And here you can see Ren, the MFG Angel, who's striking a pose together with the GT86. Wow, very solid casting, very cool. In the comic, it stated that it's slightly modified. The whole casting comes in pearl white finish. I really like the little touches on the casting as well. The GT.R badge is very clear on the front grille. You can also see the red Nismo stripe, like the plastic insert headlights, which enhance the realism of this GT.R. Standard racing wheels with Shun Aiba racing number 9. I really like the paint job, it's very clean. And just like a couple of GT.R, it also comes with an opening door with standard suspension. On the rear it's quite detailed. You can see the red Nismo stripe together with the signature GT.R rear lights with the Nissan GT.R and Nismo badge. The rear wing comes in plastic in another unit, and Shun Aiba is a very capable driver, and he is the only racer that drives a Japanese Nissan that ranked in top 10 in the MFG race. Looking forward to more MF Ghost casting, more Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!